up, y'all? We back with another. I'm on the dump, man. Changing these spark plugs out. So, and the wires. Gonna do the wires too. I got the wires right here on the floor. These headers are like a pain in the butt, man. So, these two I can get to with a spark plug tool. The other two I need a 5/8 wrench to get to the nut part of it. This part of it. So, doing that, and then hopefully we can get our dancing shoes off, because we ain't got them back yet. And then we're gonna go for a little spin, see what it do now that the new plugs in. But yeah, like I say, this is coming off soon, hopefully in the next couple days. And then yeah, we'll be on to something. So let me go ahead and finish changing these plugs out, then put the wheels on, and we go for a test drive. So I went on ahead and heated this one up because the wire shield was touching on it. So I'm gonna bang it down a little bit, get some clearance, and then finish this whole side. Halfway done. All right, let's see. Still got the key in my pocket. I have no clue what it's gonna sound like, what it's gonna do, but I know the plugs smell pretty bad. Let's see what we get. Smoke. Smoke. All that oil from my hand. Sound better. I don't think that fuel should be popping out like that. Been doing that though. And like I said, it ain't never had no fault, so it's kinda hard to work with. It ain't no fault. Smell better. I went with a bigger gap. It smells better. A lot better. This is what it was doing at first, all that black smoke coming down on it. I'm letting it run for a bit. Then go get the wheels. So, it's still popping like before, but there's no hesitation. It's warm the fan on. There ain't no hesitation like it used to be. Still smell a lot better. Gotta cut that thing out. y'all can see, the dancing shoes came off. This car sitting very, very low now. So we just gotta get this car out the garage for the next like week. Really, I'm still making stuff, in the process of making stuff and getting stuff done on it, but I can do it without it being in the garage. Only thing I need to be in the garage for is removing the fire tank when I change the fuel system over. That's the only time I need to bring this back in the garage with the lift. But for now, go ahead and take it out. I'm using my car for a console, so I got my seats unbolted. So once I bolt the seats back up and get all my stuff separated and my car cleaned back out, I'll go take it for a test drive. I also need to put some air in, y'all can see. Got a big bump down at the bottom on all 4 tires. Came off my white box.
The next day.
Uh-oh. We got them plates too. Let's get this old Donk out of here. All right, so we got all the gas that we do have. Logan. All right, so we got all the gas in the tank, all the gas that we can. Let's see what to do. Oh my God. It's popping. So y'all, down here it stay running, but up here it's cut off. It just popped real loud. Oh, just cut off. Yeah, it do good at low RPM, but when I get on it a little bit, it's pretty bad, man. Y'all hear? Yeah. So I'm gonna go lower the plug gap, then probably put my rims back on. This thing doing horrible. I don't know how much gas in it, or nothing. Jeez, this car kicking. Man, I ain't gonna leave a lot of y'all. Yeah. I'm at that point where let's swap it. That's the motor that I know the most about. Probably from doing research and all the other stuff. But this, you would think it'd be simple, but you just, when you think it'd be simple, then you just keep doing this and doing that and doing this and doing that. And maybe this will work, maybe that'll work, which I never do, but I'm kind of doing that with this car right now. It's a waste of money and time. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna go ahead and swap it, man. Y'all want that? Y'all want me to do that anyway. When? I don't know. I don't even want to get on the highway with this dang car, man. This car irritating, bro. We ain't gonna swap it in time for J Malcolm's show. I'll probably put this on the trailer. I ain't gonna even lie. I'll probably put this car on the trailer, man. Dang. Anyway, I'm just rambling on. I think I'm done, man. Put this car back in the garage, let it cool off, change the gap back, close it back up a little bit. Try to shoot for like 34 thousandths. I have no clue after that. I'm gonna put my wheels back on when I'm in there too. So that's a wrap for this video.